everyone, it's me, Alice, the Inventor Girl, and today I am going to do a Halloween special because it is October and Halloween is on October. My costume is going to be a scientist and I wanted to have some creepy effects. So I thought I would make some creepy cool inventions of some creepy cool creatures. So we're going to start with an hollow finder. And for this you're going to need a pencil and a rubber band. Now an if you don't know what it is this creepy cool lemur that lives in Madagascar because lemurs only live in Madagascar. And it has this special finger and it goes tap, 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 tap. Really super duper quick. And it listens, and if it hears something hollow, so its main food is bugs, so it'll use this chisel-like teeth and chisel, then use its bony finger and put it in and grab the bug and eat it all up. So that's why we're going to make the hollow finder. And they look sort of creepy cool, maybe you'd think an alien. So that's why we're going to do it. So, you're going to grab your pencil, and it's best if it hasn't been sharpened. And you're going to attach it to one of your fingers, and you're going to grab your rubber band. And then just twist it like this. So then it's secure on you. So keep doing that until it's secure. Alright. It's secure for me. Enough. So now we just have to test it. I'm going to try it on this hollow box. See? It's hollow. And then this desk. Or this mat, which is not hollow. So let's see how they sound. So with hollow, it sounds sort of echoey here. And then with the mat, doesn't quite sound so echoey. So that is how you make a lemur. Hollow finder. But next, we're going to make a super strong spider silk. I'm going to grab the stuff and show you how to make it. Got it? Got it. Alright, I got the stuff for the super spider silk. So for this, you're going to need probably the thickest, toughest yarn or twine you have. String will do too. And then a ruler would be good. If you don't have one, that's okay. And some scissors. First, you're gonna, unroll the yarn or twine or string. There's a knot in mine. There. And then take your ruler and measure it about, I'd say maybe 2 feet perhaps. And that would be good. So I'll take my ruler. It's okay if you don't want to do it. It's okay if it's not foot. I think I'll just do it maybe 24 inches. Probably bigger than foot. So that's 12 inches. And 24 inches. I think I'm going to do it longer. You can do it as long as you want. Okay? And then when you got it the right length you want it, you're going to cut it. Then I'll show you what to do next. Got it? Got it. Okay, I cut the string about how long I want it. And now you're gonna find the tip of your string and line it up with the tip of the string you just cut out or yarn or twine. And then you're gonna cut it at the end right there. And then you're gonna do the same and measure it again. Right there. There. Now you have 3 pieces of string. So now you're gonna tie them together at the top. First, I'm gonna take 2 and tie them in a double knot, 1 knot, 2 knot, there. And then I'm gonna take my 3rd piece and put it in a knot right in the middle of it all. There. Ta-da! So then you have 3 pieces of string, yarn, or twine. Now I'm going to braid them together. And if you don't know how to braid, that's okay because I'll show you. So you have the 3 pieces of the yarn, string, or twine. And you're going to take 1 piece and put it in the middle. So then it's like that. Then take the other side and put it in the middle. Then take the other side and put it in the middle. And then you keep doing that. So take 1 side, middle. 1 side, middle. 1 side, middle. And do that all the way down. And then I'll show you. And then you tie it the same way we tied it at the top. And then repeat that 2 more times. 2 more times. So then you have 3 of these. Got it? Got it. Alright. I've braided the 3 long pieces. And now we're going to braid these together. So I'm going to take 2 pieces and do a double knot on them there. So these are the 2 short pieces. Now I'm going to take the longer piece and put it in the middle and tie a knot right there, right in the middle. There. Now, I know it's been a lot of braiding, but 1 more braid. We still have 1 more braid to do. 1 last braid. Then we're done with the spider silk. Okay, so do 1 more braid, just 1. And then we are done with the spider silk as soon as we just do 1 last braid. So, really, spider silk is super strong. And if there was a spider silk, like as thick as, say, this pencil, it would be pretty strong, especially all weaver spiders. And some spiders, they can make, and I think some all weaver spiders, I think, can make some golden silk, or, yeah, golden wax. And what was I gonna say? I forgot. Oh wait, the silk comes out of a spinneret. The spinneret is the part that produces the silk. So then the spider can make its web. So just keep waiting and waiting until you're done. And do the double knot at the end. And then, finally, we're done. Got it? Got it. Alright, finally, I finished the spider web piece. And take a moment to pull it. Feel how strong it is. No way I can pull this part. So now that that's done, we're going to do our last and final invention. I'm still trying to come up with a name for it. But I think I'll call it, Drop the Scissors. Nope, not calling it Drop the Scissors. I think I will call it the Hedgehog Shield. So for this, you're gonna need some scissors, some cardboard, and some toothpicks. Oh, and perhaps some yarn or string or twine or whatever you have. So first I'm going to take the scissors and use them to cut my cardboard into a square. Now cutting cardboard is really super duper hard. So you may want to ask a grown-up to help you. There. Cut out. Alright. Now I have a square. Now that you have a square, you're gonna take, say, a bunch of toothpicks. And then just poke them into the cardboard. Like, oops. Don't know if you could see me cutting. Probably can't, but yeah, I have my square. And I'm just gonna poke it into the cardboard just like that. So keep poking until it has as many toothpicks as you want. And you could just put them in random places like this. Boom. Boom. And just sticking them in. Well, so just poke until you think it's good. Got it? Got it. Alright, ta-da! I made the hedgehog shield. And now we're going to carefully flip it over. Oh, and also you're going to need some tape, of course. And we're going to tape this string, yarn, or whatever you have onto the back side of it. Right now. Tape it on like that. Ta-da! So now you have, a hedgehog shield. And that's the Halloween special. Bye, everyone!